Hi there everyone, how are y'all doing? I have a wet pour here and I started this video with this wet pour because I lost the footage of doing the actual pour. I was editing it and it froze up and disappeared. So I'm going to embellish this painting, paint on it like I usually do. So I thought I would start with the wet pour, show you a little bit of the dried pour, and here it is, which I've gone right into painting. I'm just going to let you watch and see what I create is what I see within the painting. That's usually what I do. I see what it reminds me of and I go from there. So just to give you a little idea, here is the first round of a time lapse that I did, and I had a little area up top here. I'm pointing because I'm doing the voiceover. I'm just showing you the parts that I have just painted. So I am creating sort of a hillside with a castle in the background, and I'm just sort of roughing it in at this point, and I'll do detailing and stuff later. I'm pointing to this upper area, which if you've seen my owl painting, I like to use these kind of pours as the wings for something. So I'm thinking on that, what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it as far as what direction and angle I'm gonna paint in my next subject here. So I'll just let you watch. Enjoy the video. It's pretty quick and it's mostly time lapse. Often I just sort of pick up the painting as I see something quickly, and I'll do something with it, so I don't always have my camera all set up. Well, since we're at this point, I've just done a little more detailing. I'm starting to add in a little more highlighting on the castle part and think about what I want in the background. I cut these out because I was wondering, dragon area, you can see I've started roughing in the dragon head up in the middle there. But I was thinking, do I want something flying over the castle as well? And I decided not to use those images, so it ends up just the dragon and the castle and a little background. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video all on your own there, because all I'm doing is continuing to paint it all in. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm pretty much done at this point, but I feel like the dragon's head is too dark because what I had to do was move the eye a little further back. I had it too far forward. So I had to darken the face a little bit, and I need to go back and just throw in a little bit of lightness there. So at the very end you'll see the final photo of it. So there's just a little bit of touch-ups that I've done. I added in a little bit of behind the castle there, just a hint, sort of. And that's my little kingdom back there. So this painting will be titled The Guardian, and I want to feel like he's a protector and not a destructor. So that's my thoughts on this one, and hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, the last photo shows just a little tiny bit lighter of the dragon's head, but at the same time I need it to stand out, so the wings and the body and the back and the tail and everything, that's all viewer imagination, just as in I did my owl. I just really enjoy doing them that way. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, everyone.